Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Welcome to week 9 of our 8th grade journey. So, we have a choice board this week, which is going to be an assessment grade. Remember that you have assessments that are 20% of your grade for the marking period? So, our transformations choice board is your assessment grade. Make sure you're checking your on-course grades in addition to your Google Classroom grades, because on-course includes your Dreambox and Zoom meeting grades rather than just your assignments for the week. Google Classroom does not account for that, so it does not truly tell you what your grade is in math for the marking period. So make sure you're checking your on-course grades. So these are your assignments for the week. You're going to watch the entire video below. That's this one. Come to the Zoom meeting Thursday at 1:30 and complete the choice board. It's an assessment grade. You need to do 3 in a row, and the middle square is required. So here is your choice board. Digital choice board. So here is the middle square. Required 40 minutes of Dreambox with at least 20 minutes on an assigned focus lesson. So once you are finished doing your Dreambox for the week, you're going to take one of these hearts and you're going to click and drag it right on over here. And then you get to choose which direction you want to go in. Do you want to do these 3? Or these 3? Or these 3? Or these 3? You guys can choose. You need to do the middle square and you need to have 3 in a row. So you're going to complete, for this choice, you can complete an ed puzzle, geometric transformations. It's the corniest video ever, but it's actually really informative. And you need to answer the questions that are there. For this choice, you can write a song or a poem about transformations on slide 4. So you need to include all 4 transformations. Points are given for effort. So if you write something short and, have no effort put in, then you're going to get that grade. So click on here for slide 4, or you can just scroll through on the side. And this is where you're going to write your song or poem. You can delete these instructions when you do it. You're going to get 10 extra points for reciting your poem or singing your song in a recording and submitting it. You can attach it to this slide or add a new slide at the end and attach it there. You need to include all 4 types of transformations. Get creative. Answer the questions on slide 5 for this choice. So if you click here, go to slide 5, there are some questions that you need to answer. And answer the questions from the book on slide 6. If you click on slide 6, it tells you to go to pages 290 to 291 in your textbook, and you're going to complete numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 12, 13, and 14. For this one, you're going to complete 2 BuzzMath assignments, identifying geometric transformations. Here, you're going to complete 2 Delta Math assignments that are put into one assignment. The assignment's called Transformations Part 2, and it has 2 pieces to it. Rotation and reflection rules, and dilation of a point. For this choice, you're going to write the rule for various transformations on slide 7. So you can click slide 7, and you can see here that there's a pentagon, and it's pentagon A, B, C, D, E. And then over here we have A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime. And then you have A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, etc. So the questions over here are asking what happens from pentagon A, B, C, D, E to pentagon A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime. Is it a transformation? Is the transformation a reflection or a translation? And you fill in the blank. Then you write the rule. So tell us what's happening to your X and Y coordinates. For pentagon A, B, C, D, E, remember you're going back to the original. And then to pentagon A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, D double prime, E double prime. Is this transformation a rotation or a dilation? And you're going to tell me here, and then you're going to write the rule, what's happening to your X and Y coordinates. And then lastly, another choice is answering the bookwork questions, same thing as before, bookwork. It's on here twice because I think there's some really good questions, and you won't be doing both of those. Like, you wouldn't do that twice because you have to go through the middle and it has to be in a row. So if you were going to do this one, you would have to do these 3, and if you were going to do this one, you'd have to do these 3. All right. So it should be pretty straightforward of what you guys have to do. You need to pick 3 in a row in any direction, but you need to use the middle square. Make sure you're going through the middle. As you complete each one, say you are choosing these 3 in the middle, vertically, straight down. I'm choosing those 3, so I'm going to write a song or a poem. When I finish that, I'm going to put the heart here. I finished my Dreambox, so my heart's already there. And when I finish writing the rule for various transformations, I'm going to put the heart there. That tells us what you did. We are not searching through all these different programs to see what you guys did. We're not going through the slideshow to see which ones you guys filled out. We're not checking each and every one of yours for that. You need to tell us what you did so that we know where to go. So if you did BuzzMath, then we know, okay, Mrs. Schomburg, she did BuzzMath. Okay, I need to go check her BuzzMath work. Tell us what you did. You're just using these hearts. Just click and drag them. All right. The last slide is, again, telling us how you feel. Drop us a meme, write a note, or post a picture here. Let us know how you're feeling. Make sure you're looking through all of the assignments that you're choosing before our Zoom meeting on Thursday at 1:30 so that we know what we can help you with if you have any questions. And our drop-in is also Thursday at 3. So if you have any additional questions, you can always come to that. If you have any questions before that or after that, you can always message us on Google Classroom or send us an email or whatever, or use Remind to get in contact with us. And just let us know if you need any help. All right. This is all a review of what we've done. Use your textbook as a resource if you need to. Use the slideshows from prior weeks as a resource as well. It gives a lot of information. My suggestion would be to have all of the slideshows up at the top. I think there would be 4, including this one, that you can flip through to get any additional information if you're struggling. Ask us if you have any questions. This is your assessment for transformations, so we'll be done with transformations after this week. All right, let us know if you have any questions. We miss you guys, we love you guys, and we will see you Thursday.